When it comes to custom painting, colours and effects are limited only by your imagination. That's one of the big differences compared to smash repair paint. Instead of just matching a factory colour and finish, custom is all about creating something unique or individual. There are numerous colours and effects to choose from, but House of Colour products can be categorised into 4 groups: Shimmerin Universal Bases, Artistic Bases, Dry Pearls and Flakes, and Cosmic Colour Urethanes. Shimmerin bases are the most versatile and commonly used custom colours. No catalyst is required and they can be used as a ground coat or base coat, then top coated with urethane candy and/or clear coated. There are 7 ranges to choose from. Solid colours created from 100% inorganic pigment that delivers intense clean colour and great coverage. Mainly used as ground coats, but can also be applied straight up for a powerful burst of solid colour. Available in 12 great colours. Designer pearls. With over 40 colours in the range and the ability to intermix with other Shimmerin bases, possibilities become endless. The pearl mica pigments are extremely finely ground to create an optimal smooth finish that has a clean flip from all angles. They can be simply clear coated or used as a base with candies or other effect products from the House of Colour lineup. Glamour and fine metallics. Sensational effect in direct sunlight and can be intermixed with other Shimmerin bases, including graphic colours, designer pearls, and even neons, to create a truly one-of-a-kind finish. Candy base coats. A specifically developed, easy-to-use version candy and pearl. Being a base coat range that's touch-up friendly makes candy base coats ideal for streeters. Available in the same great 20 colours as our Cosmic Colour Urethanes. Neons. Perfect for highlights on race cars, boats and signage where eye-catching graphics are a must. But remember, neons have limited colour fastness in direct sunlight. Metajewels metallic bases. Absolutely brilliant base coats that feature exceptional sparkle and brightness. Used alone, they are spectacular, but when combined with candies, they really become magic. They can also be intermixed with other Shimmerin bases and don't require multiple clear layers. Chameleon colours. Great for graphics and artwork. These revolutionary base coats actually change colour depending on the angle of view. Rounded, curved and sharp angles will be highlighted in a dramatic way. Artistic bases. As the name suggests, these are for effect. There are 2 ranges to choose from. Cosmic Chrome. The Cosmic Chrome effect has evolved from our revolutionary aluminium flake technology. The result can be a beautiful and interesting finish that, when combined with other House of Colour products, especially candies, adds a new dimension to custom painting. Ideal for creating a metal or anodized look on interior parts and available in 5 colours. Marbleizer. These unique base coats can create a wide range of effects, from a deep marble grain to snakeskin appearance. Available in 6 colours that can be used straight up or top coated with candies to produce insane colour effect combinations. Dry pearls and flakes. Dry pearls and flakes are great for creating head-turning effects over any base colour. They can be added to any of our intercoat or top coat clears, and some can also be mixed into our Shimmerin bases to provide wild colour and effect combinations. Check out the House of Colour website or catalogue for further range and product details. Cosmic Colour Urethanes are the original and true candies. It's the ultimate when it comes to custom paint jobs. Watch these colours explode off the panel, taking your project to a dramatic new level. Being transparent enables limitless colour possibilities, magnifying any base coat or effect that it's placed over. No other candy can match our intensity or durability. Use only with cosmic reducers and catalysts, and remember, this is a highly advanced level of custom painting, and without the appropriate training and expertise, you can end up with an uneven, striped or blotchy finish. There are also House of Colour candy concentrates that are great for airbrushing or can be added to our urethane candies to intensify colour for faster coverage. Concentrates are also handy for touch-ups and blending. But remember, Candy concentrates or dyes are not colour fast when used on their own and are therefore not recommended for exterior resprays. Custom paint jobs often involve artwork or graphics of some kind, even if it's just subtle, to break up a two-tone colour scheme. Something like a marbleized wide break line can be masked and painted without specialist skills. But once there's airbrushing or pinstriping involved, it's time to call in an expert. In addition to having freehand drawing ability, pro airbrushers will be familiar with our solid colours, designer pearls, candy base coats and concentrates, as well as House of Colour striping and lettering enamels. Now it's time to clear coat. There are many clears on the market, but it's important to realise that our cosmic clears have up to 4 times more UV additives than most of the others. And unlike smash repair top coats that are meant for off-the-gun finishes, House of Colour clears are designed to be sanded and buffed, so you can achieve that smooth, super wet finish that you see on the world's best show cars. In most cases, 2 to 3 coats are required, and after curing, there is an option of flow coating to create the flattest, deepest, glassiest top coat finish available. If an elite show car result is what you want, sand down with 800 wet and dry and apply another 2 coats of clear. Minimal sanding and buffing is then required. After curing for 12 to 24 hours, orange peel and paint inclusions can be removed with colour sanding. This will significantly improve the DOI, distinction of image, as well as sharpen the clarity of reflections. A totally flat and smooth clear coat will also make the finish look more glass-like. Start with 1200 grit wet sandpaper, but avoid edges and areas that are difficult to machine buff. Follow by cross-sanding with 1500 grit, then if necessary, lightly sand with 2000 grit on areas that need to be compounded and polished by hand or DA machine. If a show-level paint job is required, flow coating is highly recommended, since far less colour sanding is needed to achieve the perfect finish. Machine buffing should be done after 1 to 3 days. Curing times will vary with weather, shop conditions and number of coats, but it's imperative to allow enough hardening time for the clear to resist buffer scarring or tearing. We recommend Maguire's or 3M compounds and polishes with a wool buffing pad for compounding and foam pad for polishing. And remember, buffing technique is as important as the products you use when it comes to creating a flawless finish. The ideal buffing speed should be between 15 and 1800 RPM, and the pad should be kept as flat as possible even when following contours. Keep the work area well lit so it's easy to check for imperfections, and be mindful that overheating the finish can often lead to reoccurring sanding marks and swirls after the paint settles down. For dark coloured cars, we recommend using a dual action polisher and foam finishing pad as a final step, to eliminate the chance of a buffing trail or holograms. There you have it, the perfect custom paint job. Go to the House of Colour website for loads more useful information and examples.